on.
Go on, you tank.
Come on.
Yeah. Oh, she's so stubborn. Go. Hey everybody, welcome back to Ozark Mountain Goats. We are out here with our girl Roxy. She is 30 days out from kidding, so we need to give her her CD&T shot. So we're going to do that first and then give her some selenium. And we actually she had a scur that we thought we were going to have to band, but her and Charo were fighting yesterday and she's knocked it off, so we don't have to do that. But anyway, first thing I'm going to do is get her that shot. And this is 2 cc's and it's given subcutaneously, which means just right under the skin.
Need help?
Maybe.
Okay. There you go.
Girl.
Yeah.
Yes, you're a good girl. Didn't even hardly flinch.
Right there.
I'll keep her from backing up.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Mmm. I think this little cow might have 3 or 4. What do you think?
She's pretty wide. I'm just going to give her a little clip so that I can see her udder better. So that takes care of Roxy for today. Next up is Maya, and she's about a week behind Roxy. So next week she'll be getting her CD&T and get a little bit of a clip on her udder and some selenium, and they'll be all set for kids. So thanks for watching, everybody. Be sure and hit that like button and subscribe, and as always, we'll catch you later.
Oh, come on, Lily.
Oh.
Come on.
Go on, you tank.
Come on.
Yeah. Oh, she's so stubborn. Go. Charo.
Charo.
Come here. Oh,
Here's this
Maya.
one. Hello, little girl. Hello. She would have been the first, I think, if we did it.
you.